All right, so there are some other things that we can do in this effects window here. One that you might want to do is the gradient feather. So we have the directional feather tool, but that remember, that is a tool onto itself over here, but we do have access to it in the pop-up here. So you can access the directional feather tool this way. I'm sorry, the gradient feather. I'm getting those mixed up. So there's a gradient feather. The gradient feather, that's just like nothing to white. Oh, you can add colors there. How do you add colors? Can you add colors, or you can swap it? Huh. That's kind of handy. I haven't played with it too much this way. I usually just use the tool, but there's that's kind of cool that you can do it that way and you can change. See, there's just so much you can do. It's amazing. So really, really play with that. I'm going to use another object to show you what I'm going to put this and change, get rid of all the excuse me, the effects there. And I'm actually just going to center using the control up here and center on the page. And what I want to do, I want to show you this effect called the directional. So different than the gradient. So the gradient only works on one side. So the gradient is one side only. The directional works on all four sides. Now it can look really bad really easily. So you can see at this, and in this case, it just kind of deletes the circle. But you can, if you had something that was a little bit, I don't know, not just a circle, for instance, if I do it on here, you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. So there is this kind of deleting or making it fade out at the top, on the left, the bottom, etc., etc. So sometimes you need that. It doesn't work quite as well as Photoshop, but just to kind of give you a sense of what that can do. So really, it's just a way to experiment, to try a bunch of different things, to see what you can come up in a more creative, interesting way. And then last but not least, I want to show you what the properties window can do.